All right, hello everybody. It's Tony with Blacktop Magazine. I'm here with Craig and a really nice GTO Judge. Craig, tell us a little bit about your car.
It's a 1970 GTO Judge. It's original color, which is called pepper green. It's like a bell pepper color. Very rare color. There are other green ones out there, but most of them are some kind of an avocado look to it. So the car was originally sold from Bob Long Prairie, Pontiac, right down the road here on Beach Boulevard. A guy in Newport Beach bought it, owned it for about 20 years, sold it to a lady and a couple up in Oregon. So it was up in Bend, Oregon for many years.
Wow, fantastic. And how long have you had it?
I've had it a couple of years. It was a nut and bolt frame off restored before I bought it in 2019.
You know, there's always a story behind why a guy has a car. So why did you get a Judge?
Well, I've been a Ford guy, so I have Fords, Mustangs. I was president of the Mustang Club. All my friends kept saying, you're a retired judge, which I am. I was a retired judge, Superior Court judge in San Bernardino County. And they kept saying the judge has got to have a judge. So I put it on my bucket list, and this popped up. So here I got it. I had them put the name. They used to call me a hanging judge.
Oh.
My license plate is hanging.
Hanging.
Yeah, hanging. So that's the story.
All right. And is the car, you said it's been nut bolt frame off restoration. Is it all pretty much original?
All original. It's done all original. It's an automatic transmission, but it's got factory air, which is pretty rare on these cars also. But it's all was restored to original.
Wow. Fantastic. And I hear you're looking at something else too.
I'm waiting delivery on a 1957 Cadillac Eldorado Baritz convertible that was owned by a fairly well-known Hollywood producer, filmmaker, director, who originally made Superman, Lethal Weapon, and it's an all-California original car.
Wow.
I can't wait to get that.
I was waiting to hear that you're going to get a car that was an old gangster's car, being a judge.
No.
That's not on the bucket list?
That's not on the bucket list. But I do have I've got a 68 Shelby GT350 convertible, which is really nice too. Red.
Right.
Pretty rare car. And 57 Thunderbird. So.
Oh boy.
I've got cars.
You do? All right.
My passion.
Well, fantastic. We're here at the Kiwanis Land show. I think this is the 5th show. And what a beautiful place to have.
Beautiful. I was here 2 years ago. This was all dirt, primarily,
Oh.
and kind of dusty. They've
Right.
really cleaned it up. It's beautiful.
Yeah, I see they got water in the pond now too, and
yeah,
everything.
yeah.
So, well, Craig, good to see you
Okay,
again.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. All right, and that's a beautiful 1970 Pontiac GTO Judge. Fantastic.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Veronica Velvet. Thank you for watching Blacktop TV.
Did you know we have Blacktop trading cards? That's right. You can get your car on a cool trading card and share it with your friends at car shows and that sort of thing. Blacktop trading cards. Check it out at blacktopmagazine.com/cards.